Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I'm going to be doing my October Petit Vour Box unboxing, and I'm really excited about this month's box. I've already taken a look inside and seen some of the products in here, and there's some really awesome products this month. So the box has recently been really great. I'm going to go ahead and apologize because you probably are going to hear some sawing noises in the background of this video. And I'm gonna do my best to edit the sound out, but they're doing construction on the building next to us right now, and it is just as annoying to me as it is to you. But if you're going to see this video anytime in the near future, I have to film it today. It's kind of the only time I have. So I'm just having to make do with what I can, and I'm making do with sawing today. So I'm really sorry about that. I really try not to film when there's like a lot of noise outside. Back to the Petit Vour box. So Petit Vour is a cruelty-free and vegan subscription box. I am sent this box by Petit Vour, but I always give my honest review of this box. I tell you what I like, what I don't like in it. And then at the end of this video, I will do a review of the previous month's box. After I use the products for a month, I always go back and give you a kind of more in-depth review of the products from the previous month's box. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first product that caught my attention was this one from Kani Botanicals. And this is their prismatic highlighter, their Moonstone prismatic highlighter. And I haven't even opened the box yet. I haven't looked at it, smelled it, done anything to it. I had a really hard time not getting into this product. I've had this box for a couple days now and I have been wanting to play with this, but I wanted to do a first impressions of using this product, so I've held off and it was really hard. But this is what it looks like. It's beautiful. It has this yellow kind of gold lid on it. It's quite reflective. It says Kani Beauty on it, and then it's got a nice sleek glass bottom. And when we open it up, it looks like this. So this looks like a good color. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch here. There's not much of a scent. It's pretty scent neutral. Oh wow, look at that highlight. It is really gold. I was not expecting that from what it looks like. It pulls pretty gold on my finger, but let me go ahead and apply it on my face and then we can see what it looks like on my face. So you can see it applied to my cheekbone here, and it is more yellow of a highlight than I was expecting. Honestly, from just looking at it in the packaging, I thought it would be more of an RMS Living Luminizer type of highlight, more of a kind of white, kind of cool toned highlight, but it definitely is more yellow. I really like it though. I think it gives you just a really nice glow. It's not too metallic, it's not chunky, it's not glittery. Also, the formula was really easy to work with. It was creamy, it blended out well, but it wasn't so creamy that it was like picking up my foundation or anything like that. Like it wasn't disrupting the foundation I had underneath it. It just applied really beautifully. So I'm excited to try this out some more. I'm shocked that it worked as well as it does for my skin tone. You guys can let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But I think it does look pretty good on camera and in person. Looking in a mirror, it also looks pretty good on. So definitely a solid product, and the packaging is beautiful. Like this is outstanding packaging, and it has a really nice weight to it as well. Like it is definitely a heavy product. It feels very luxurious, and the packaging looks very luxurious as well. And the value of that highlighting balm is $28. I honestly don't know if there are multiple shades or not. I'm kind of curious about that. I will leave that in the description box down below if there are multiple shades of this highlighting balm or if there's only one. So we're gonna move along to another product that caught my attention. And this is from Goldfaden MD, and this is their Bright Eyes cream. And I've actually tried another small sample of this. This is bigger than the sample I had. I had like a little pouch of this cream from Kani Beauty, and I really enjoyed using it. And so I was really excited to see this in here. I've actually been thinking about purchasing the full size of this eye cream. I've had it kind of on my like potential products to purchase list. Like it's been in my head, like I'm interested in it. So I was really glad to get another sample of this and be able to try it out some more. And I have been using it for a couple days and I really like it. It is a cream and it feels very hydrating, but what I really like about this is it absorbs in very quickly. It doesn't sit on the skin. I particularly like using it in the morning for that reason because it just seeps in. It's not like too hydrating, too moisturizing, too oily on your skin, so you can apply makeup on it, such as concealer, very, very easily. That reason alone has really sold me on it. This is for dark circle like brightening, which is definitely something I want. I mean, I have pretty bad dark circles. A lot of people do. And I think with having fair skin, like if you get dark circles, they show up really easily on you. So yeah, I have pretty bad dark circles. So I really have been liking this. I don't know if it's helping to brighten my dark circles, but I always like putting on an eye cream regardless. But even though I'm young, I am trying to prevent wrinkles from forming around my eyes and all that. So I've been trying to take really good care of, you know, kind of the region around my eyes and making sure that I'm moisturizing it and applying, you know, eye creams and stuff. So definitely been liking this. The only con I have to say about this is the packaging. I have a huge issue with this packaging. So as you can see, it's like a little pump. And the issue with this packaging is that you depress the pump and it just squirts out too much product, and you can't like pump the pump a little. It's kind of like an all or nothing. Like you can depress it and like one amount comes out, but the amount of eye cream that comes out is probably at least 3 times more eye cream than I need. And so it feels really wasteful because I'm like trying to rub it in, but I just don't need that much eye cream. And so my only comment to Gold Fade and MD would be to work on this packaging for the sample size, because you want to try it out and you want to use it properly, but you don't want to be dispensing so much product, because the value of this little sample is $18. So it's a very expensive product. So it just feels very, very wasteful to be using so much. Like I could use this product for a longer period of time and test it out for a longer period of time. But because I'm pumping out so much with each use, I am running through the sample very quickly and it just feels really wasteful. So I like the product, don't like the packaging, but the full size I believe comes in a different packaging. At least I hope it comes in a different packaging than this. That might be a deal breaker. If it came in this kind of packaging, that would be really annoying because I would feel like I'm wasting a lot of product. The next product I saw in this month's box, I have gotten previously, I think about a year ago, in another box, and I already know that I love it. And this is the My Couture Bamboo Charcoal Blotting Sheets. I still have it in the packaging because I currently am using another one of the My Couture blotting sheets. In fact, I went through a whole packet of these, and I talk about them in an empties video that I will be posting sometime this month, so stay tuned for that. But these are by far my favorite blotting sheets. Okay, so I just grabbed the blotting sheets I'm using. This is another one from My Couture. This is their vitamin C and E blotting sheets. I'm currently using these. It looks like there is new packaging with these because this one has like this more marble and this is kind of this more geometric, so they have different packaging now. But the reason why I love My Couture blotting sheets is, first off, they're huge. This sheet is actually big enough for me to use across my whole face. A lot of other blotting sheets are rather small, and so I end up needing 2, which seems more wasteful. If I can just use 1 and cover my entire face, that's better. The other thing that I really like about the My Couture blotting sheets is they come in this booklet, so you actually tear out a sheet rather than having to like reach into an envelope and grab a sheet of blotting paper out, which is the dispensing mechanism for a lot of other blotting sheets. It's easier to get them out of here is what I'm trying to say. So because they're larger and then you can get them out really easily, I love them. Yeah, this is my second packet of these. Now I've got another one, so I am set and happy as can be. I love these. If you're looking for a blotting sheet, definitely check out My Couture. It's been one of my favorite products that I've discovered from the Petit Vour subscription box. Okay, and the value of the blotting sheet is $10. And then the final product in this month's box is this Formulary 55 Rose Hip and Clay Facial Mask. I have tried a couple of clay face masks and body mask from Formulary 55. They're fine. I just don't like clay mask. And so I'm actually going to hold on to this and either pass it along or give it to somebody else that will have better use out of it. I just don't like clay face masks. We've heard about that a lot. You guys all know that. I just don't like them, so I'm not gonna be wasteful and go ahead and use a product that I know that's just not my favorite, so I'm gonna pass this along. If you do like clay face mask, Formulary 55 is a really nice brand. They have a variety of different clay face masks. The value of that face mask is $8. The total value of this month's box is, drumroll please, $64. That is insane because the cost of this box is $18, so it is a huge value. I already knew that I really liked 2 of the products in this one's box. I am already very impressed by this highlighter from Kani Botanicals, so I'm excited to try that out some more. So 3 products I like out of 4, a value of $64. You really can't beat that. So excellent October box. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and give you a review of the September Petit Vour box. And I'm going to start off with my favorite product from the September Petit Vour box, which is this Axiology lip crayon, and I have the shade Enduring. I'm currently wearing this lip crayon. I've been raving about this lip crayon since I got it. It made it into my September favorites video. It was in my favorite fall lipsticks video. Basically, I can't get enough of this lip crayon. I love the color. It's kind of this warm pink color. I love the formula. It's really comfortable. I don't feel like I have anything on, but at the same point, my lips don't feel dry. Like, it's a very lightweight but nourishing formula. It's very long wearing. It's kind of got like an orange scent when you apply it, which I really like. It's got a bit of an orange scent when you apply it, but it fades really quickly. Basically, if you have been interested in the Axiology lip crayons at all, like slightly curious in them, they're 100% worth it. 100% cat approved. I love it. I think you will too, so definitely check them out if you are at all curious. You will probably keep hearing me raving about this for quite a while because I am really impressed. The next product I also really loved, and this is the Andalou Naturals Kukui Cocoa Body Butter. I have been going through this tube in this month. I'm not quite empty, but you can see I've definitely used a lot of this. Have been loving it. I love the scent. I love how it absorbs in. I love how nourishing it is. It's just a standout product for me. When I run out of some of my other body butters, I would 100% be interested in picking this up. I think it's a great price as well because it's Andalou Naturals, and it performs to me like a more high-end body lotion, which, you know, if you can get a really great body lotion that performs really well at a lower price, I am all here for it, and it smells amazing. So definitely a great product, and especially as we're moving into winter and drier weather, I think that this could be a really great product to have on hand as well. I've been loving this. This also made it into my September monthly favorites. This guy I am surprised by, and this is the Ulverum Bath Oil. And my bathroom finally they fixed the plumbing problem in my bath. We were able to clean the bathtub and I was able to take baths now. Yay! So that whole problem is now solved. I am really surprised by how much I like this. Like, it doesn't look like I've used any, but I have. It's an extremely potent bath oil. You only need the tiniest amount in your bathtub and your whole bathtub will just smell amazing. So it's a really potent bath oil. It's quite expensive. I can't remember how much it was, but the consolation is you only need a couple drops. I actually put a little bit too much in my bath and it was like almost a little bit too potent. Because I believe it has some eucalyptus in it, which makes it kind of like you feel it in your throat and your nose, but I love it. The scent is amazing, so relaxing. It was one of the most relaxing baths I've had when I use this oil, so if you're looking for a bath oil, this is really good, and even though it's expensive, like a little bit goes a long way. It's very potent. I don't know if you follow Brienne from Wife Life on Instagram or on YouTube, but she, on her Instagram stories, was taking a bath and poured a whole bunch of that bath oil into her bath, and it gave me such severe anxiety because I was like, you have no idea how potent that is. You've just created like this insanely strong bath. She never said anything about it, but like that was my thought when I saw her story, was like, oh my gosh, you did not need that much bath oil in your bath. You only need like a tiny bit. The final products we got in last month's box were the Evolve H Ultra Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. I haven't used these. I'm saving these for travel. I have tried the Evolve H Ultra Shine Shampoo and Conditioner previously. I've talked about that in my last video. They're okay. They're just not my favorite shampoo and conditioner. I think particularly they're kind of expensive for what they do. They just aren't great for my hair type. Maybe for other hair types they're great. I've heard a lot of people rave about Evolve H shampoos and conditioners. Just for me, I don't know. I don't really see the hype of it, but I do like them for travel, and so that's why I'm holding on to these, because you know, I'm gonna be traveling for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, so there's gonna be a lot of trips coming up in the near future, so I figured those will be great for that, but just not my favorite. But overall, I really did like the September box too. The August box was really good too. So the August, September, and October Petit Vour boxes have really been killing it. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what Petit Vour is going to be doing the rest of this year. As always, I am an affiliate for Petit Vour, so if you want to subscribe to the box or shop on Petit Vour's awesome shop, if you use any of my links down below, it helps support Naturally Beautiful Girl, and I thank you so much for doing that. And if you don't want to use my links, you don't have to. Using my links really helps me to be able to purchase new products and try them out for you guys, so thank you so much if you choose to do that. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at Naturally Beautiful Girl. And let me know if you got the October Petit Vour box. Are you excited about the products in it? Did you like the September Petit Vour box? If you got that too, just let me know all that in the comments section down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!